today's video, we're gonna be replacing my headlight lenses, which will be interesting because I've never done this before. And it's like 32 degrees out, so I'm gonna take the bumper off in the freezing cold because I don't have any open garage space. So that's gonna suck, but at least once they're off, I can do the headlights inside and stuff. So we just made it, but listen to this downpipe. Sounds so good. So good. Okay, so on the speed, it's always bothered me how bad the headlights were. So I went on eBay and I actually got these headlight lenses. These are supposed to be for a Mazda 6, but I looked at them and everything is the exact same. So I guess they're interchangeable, and the ones on the speed now are currently kind of gross. Those were only $35, by the way, which is crazy. So look at these things. I guess it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but there you go. You can kind of see how hazy and yellow they are. They're gross. Look at this one. This one's probably the worst one. It's weird because if you put the camera lens straight on, it doesn't really show it, but trust me, they're bad. This is kind of what they looked like before I wet sanded them. Absolutely disgusting. And if I have a picture, I'll throw it up on the screen. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So I gotta take the front bumper off. By the way, I did order 2 new purple colors because I'm not the biggest fan of how dark this is, but let me know what you guys think. And let me know if I should put that on my speed. Also, my TV is still ruined. I apologize about the train, I'm always dealing with them. But anyway, this should be pretty simple. I just gotta start taking off screws all the way around. And apparently it should come right off. Screw that thing. Front bumper is off enough to get the headlights off, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Mainly because I can't get this one plastic clip undone. I don't wanna break it because it's the only one working over there. But man, look how much wiper fluid I got. Got a whole lot. So anyway, I'm gonna pull these headlights off now. It should be pretty simple, just a couple, I think 10 mils. There's some over here, I don't know. I gotta find them all, and then we'll pop it off and go inside because I'm cold. Okay, got both headlights out, and what do you guys think of the new look of the Speed? I think I might run it like that for a while. It kind of looks fire. Alright, but anyway, I'm gonna take those inside, and I'm using a heat gun. I don't have an oven, but I'm gonna take them all apart first before I put any heat to it because I don't want to melt anything important. And yeah, at least they're out. It actually wasn't as bad as I thought. It only took like 20 minutes probably. Got some breakfast, gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna start ripping these headlights apart. And guys, keep in mind, I have no idea at all what I'm doing. This is my first time ever taking a headlight apart. So this is either gonna go really good or really bad. I'm just gonna start ripping this thing apart, and I'm gonna do one at a time because I don't wanna get bolts and clips confused, because I know this is about to get confusing. Got them separated, and I'm gonna go ahead and start transferring this black housing into the new housing. And I did break one thing. I broke whatever this thing is. It still goes in though, so that is good. I just broke off one little piece because I didn't take that out like an idiot, and it broke. So at least it's just a hazard light. So anyway, I'm gonna go grab a towel so that doesn't get all scratched up, lay it on the ground, and start pulling that apart. Okay, got that housing out, and now I want to show you guys how yellow this truly is. Like, it's, look at that. That is what it looked like. So at nighttime, it was really brutal to see. So we're gonna wait till it's nighttime too, and we're gonna test these out at night, and hopefully they're good. We'll go on some back roads or something. But yeah, no, these new ones, like, the difference is crazy. It's honestly crazy. Like, you can probably, just look at that. That looks yellow, that looks new. So, okay, anyway, transferring this housing to that, and then I'm gonna clean up all that silicone, and I still don't know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it. Okay, so I did watch a couple of YouTube videos on how to actually do this, and a lot of people just use regular silicone. So I went to Home Depot yesterday and I picked up a cock gun. Hold on, check it out. Pretty sick, pretty cheap. And then I got some clear, adheres to all flexible, all-purpose silicone, and it's paintable, ultra flexible, can stick to pretty much anything, and immediate water ready. So this is what we're gonna use. I'm gonna cut the tip, and we're gonna start attaching that to that, and let's see if I did a good job or not. I am gonna be real butthurt though if these headlights do leak and then they get moisture inside, because I'm about to do this whole process over and it's gonna suck. All right, so if you guys have never used a caulk gun before, this is a little tip and trick. There's a little cutter right here on the handle, and you can just give it a little chop. Oh, didn't. Oh, see, I got the cheap one. I should have paid more, but if you guys get a good one of these, you can just chop this off, and then you use this on the front of it, and then you poke the little metal thing inside, and bam, throw her in, good to go. That's my tip of the day. I got a nice bead all the way around, and I put a lot on there, and that's also why I got the clear, so when it dries you won't see it. But I put a lot on there to really get it sealed, and I'm about to set the headlight housing in. So wish me luck, and let's do this. Let's go, I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure I got a really good seal on it. I can see everywhere it's making contact. And then to be honest, I'm gonna actually throw some around the whole edge. But like right here is actually squeezing out, so I think I killed it. I'm stoked. So I gotta repeat the same thing the other headlight, but look at the difference. So like this still has the plastic on. I'm not gonna take it off yet until the silicone's dry, because I don't wanna get it on the face, because silicone's really hard to get off. But look at that one, trash, compared to that. Unbelievable. So yeah, I'm gonna dab a little more silicone on there, and then we'll start working on the other one. And after about an hour, they are both done, so it didn't take that long, honestly. And I'm gonna let them dry up here for about 30 minutes or so, and then we'll go throw them on. Let's go, the sun came out. Imagine if I had blacked out headlights to that black. It's so weird, it looks like a black hole. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and go throw them in. Look at all these parts. I'm still waiting on more. But that motor is going in the 240 soon. Okay, so I got one on. It looks good. I'm gonna peel this once I get the other ones on, the front bumper back on, so I'll have a giant unveiling. But there's a problem with these. Look at this gap. I'm not cool with that gap. So I'm going to order some new headlight lenses, I know. And I'm gonna spend some more. I won't replace these again until spring or something, but I'm gonna get new ones because I'm not cool with that gap. It's gonna drive me nuts, but at least we got the one on, and it looks way better. I'm gonna make sure the headlights work real quick, and then I'm gonna go put the other one on. Works good. Oh, both the headlights on. It's looking really good. So now I'm gonna get this front bumper all put back together, and then we're gonna do the peel. Here we go, guys. You ready? The pull. Oh, dang. This thing looks brand new. Holy, I'm so hyped. Oh my. Yo, this made such a big difference, and looks like I got a little silicone on the outside, but it rubs right off. Wow, look at that. I cannot wait to drive this tonight. I'm so stoked on how these turned out. I'm actually gonna go ahead and go grab a microfiber and then put a little wax on them so they don't get scratched up and stuff. But dang, and you know what? This does not look near as bad as I thought. And this side is actually closer, so it's not as bad. So I think I'm actually gonna leave it because they look good, and I'm really, really excited. Get rid of this old lens. Those things are strong, huh? There we go. Garbage. I'm sorry, but look at this minivan pulling this trailer. The chains are dragging on the ground, and the hitch is almost touching. Go get that package. Such a good idol. Okay, so I just got home. The lenses look nuts. Look at this, so clear. I can already tell they're gonna be clear at night. But I want you guys to guess what these are. All right, so These are for an upcoming video. They're for the speed. I want you to guess down in the comments. If you get it right, I will send you a t-shirt. So let me know what you guys think and guess away. This is all you get. Kind of cool. The speed actually like gurgles. You gotta listen to this. I'll put the camera back here. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna go play some video games, and then once it's dark out, we're gonna take this thing out, and hopefully these headlights make a difference. I'm pretty sure they will, because they already look like they're gonna make a difference. Like there's no distortion of the light, and it looks incredible. So we'll pick back up when it's dark. Bam, just like that is nighttime, and we get to go test the lights on the speed. I'm super excited to see if it made a difference. I'm sure it did, because it already looks 20 times better. So, let's turn this thing on. Nice little cold start, but look at these headlights. Oh yeah. Dang. I can't even explain how good these look. Like if you guys go look at a brand new car and look at the headlights, that's what these look like right now. They're that clear and flawless. So let's go drive around. Of course, I actually need gas before we go drive around. Just like that, got some gas, and we're going on a super dark road. So we're gonna see if these headlights are better or not. Oh yeah, massive, massive difference. Before I would have my brights on this road just to be able to see, and now I can just leave my regular lights on. I can see perfectly, pretty far in front of me, so I am pumped. Let's go give the speed one good rip before I head home. All right, one more bridge rip before I go home. Okay, had to throw the camera down that last clip because there was a deer in the road and I had to swerve around it, so now we're heading home because that was sketch. Just got home, headlights made a massive difference. I really wish I would have got a before clip, and I really should have, that was my bad. But let me tell you guys, they make a big difference, and especially for $35. All in all, I was probably like 40 bucks into this with the caulk gun and the silicone, maybe 45. Either way, absolutely worth it. This is one of the most favorite things I've done to a car because it was so easy, and it was kind of satisfying doing the silicone bead. But anyway, enough talking about that. You guys saw it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. Let me know what videos you guys want to see because I'm down to do whatever you guys want. So peace out.